Gurudev Pranam.
Pranam.
Gurudev, the topic is tapaha. We
Yeah.
say tapasya also and tapasvi also. The
Yeah.
sutra is kaya, indriya, siddhi or suddhi chayat tapasaha.
Kaya Indriya Siddhi. Asadicha Tapaha. What is tapasya? Tapasya is the process by which you remove the impurities of your body and senses. Impurities have to go. When these impurities go, then you get extraordinary experiences. Asuddhi Chayat, by clearance of the Asuddhi, impurity, by clearance of impurity, you get Siddhi, Kaya Indriya Siddhi. Some Siddhi comes to you. Siddhi means power, spiritual power. Light, you can see light, you see, you hear sound, you can see sometimes things very far, but you can see that things happening somewhere far. Sound, the sound may come to your ears. Durasravan, Duradarshan, you know, and you might see the afterworld, the experience of the afterworld. You can see some figures all the time, some divine figures, you know. So that way, many kinds of experiences come. Blue sky all the time. You are in some internal sky, blue, reflecting. Whenever you close your eyes, you see blue. It may be even darkness, Newman, but you close your eyes and you see the blue space. So this is also a kind of a sign of stability. So these signs that have come, light points, network of light, crystal, like crystal color, like prism, you know, you can see, and that way you understand that your spiritual process is going well. You are progressing.
The types of experiences you have mentioned just now, it is difficult to prove to general people.
Prove to you.
Yes, yes. Though we experience, but we cannot prove them materially
To people.
to people.
You cannot prove them.
Yes.
Yeah, you cannot prove them easily because it's all internal experiences.
Hmm.
Internal experiences cannot be proved by external things.
Yes, this is the reality.
You have no example. You have examples like Nihara Dhum or Kon Lonilam, Kodod Bindu Spatiku Sashiram, Etani Rupani Pulasarani Brahma Vivagdan. It's like fog. It's like fog. You can just give examples, but you cannot show them.
Hmm.
It's like fog. Dhoom is like smoke. Orko is like sun, light sun. Orko Onoro Nilanam is like fire. It's like air blowing, flying, or the moonlight, so moonlight. So that way, these different natural phenomenon also come to your sight. Then all kinds of jewels, like diamonds, like pearls, like you know, all sorts of fine reflecting jewels, lighted jewels. They also come before your eyes. This happens to people. Those who practice meditation and practice little kriya uh, thoroughly, it will come, sure.
And Gurudev, there are people they practice tapasya by living in the jungle or lonely place or some they live
Jungle
on
is not
fruit.
important. Jungle is not important anything. Lonely place is an important thing. If you go to lonely place and stay 3 days or 4 days, you will find your mind If the mind is restful, peaceful, then you know that your process is well. Your mind is in a good condition. But if the mind is restless, if you go to loneliness, the mind will be all the more restful, heavy. And then you have to control it by yoga, meditation, but very hard to control. Very hard to control. That's why karma yoga is needed. Even in society, if you practice karma yoga a lot, selfless work, then it will come. Steadiness will come. Then you can go to jungle or go to lonely place, solitary place.
And Gurudev, there are people or Babas, they live on, some live on meal, some live on fruit, some live on water, or even they live on air also. Baba Hari Baba, we respectfully see them. So they also practice tapasya. Or it is a part of tapasya.
Tapasya. It's all tapasya. Tapasya means you energize yourself. You spiritualize yourself. You kindle up your energy. This is tapasya. Whenever, even what we are doing now is also a kind of tapasya. Gyanamayam tapaha. It's called Gyanamayam tapaha. Tapasya with knowledge. Some people tapasya with bodily tapasya. They stop food and they stand at a place for some time. All sorts of things, Physical, it's mental. But with knowledge, tapasya is not easy, it's difficult. Not all people can do that. Not all people have that capacity.
Yes.
So, Gyanamayam tapaha. Karmamayam tapaha. Nishkam karma. You understand? Physical tapa is also good. But better than physical tapa, I think Gyanamayam tapa is more difficult.
And Gurudev, worldly people, they work hard, they labor hard to achieve their goal. That is also a kind of tapasya, though it is not spiritual.
As a matter of fact, the whole existence, organic existence, whole existence of living beings, a tapasya. Is the total tapasya of nature, is a totality, is tapasya. And everybody has to do something.
Yes.
Nobody can stop. Nobody can sit idle. Everybody has to work. Every day, some work has to be done. If not anything, at least eating, sleeping. That's also work. So some work is to be done. And this work is given by nature, made by nature, and in order to do tapasya. Every individual is doing tapasya, whether he wants it or not.
Yes.
He has to do tapasya.
He wants it or not, or he knows or he does not.
No.
Yes.
Whether he knows or not,
Mm.
no matter, but nature knows that he is doing tapasya.
So, and
Because nature is enjoying the toy. The toy is being played upon by children, but the toys don't know.
and his tapasya is recorded and regulated by somebody or by the nature.
By nature. And result also comes that way. Result also comes that way. Tapasya done for material things bring material.
Yes.
Tapasya done for knowledge brings knowledge. Tapasya done for learning brings learning. So what purpose you are having for your tapasya, the purpose will be fulfilled.
Thank you, Gurudev.
Thank you.